Before we get into the video, I just want to make a disclaimer that we have already ran it, so you will see that it is dirty, but I wanted to get like a real opinion about it and get some footage of like what it can actually do.
What's up guys, the team got a new truck. It is the Arrma Notorious 6S V5 BLX stunt truck. Lots to say about this truck. First off, it comes in black or blue. The team opted for black, and it is a matte black finish. It is another ready to run truck, but it does not come with battery or charger like most, so you will need to buy separately a battery and a charger. I am going to take it out of the box so you guys can get a close-up view of it. So it comes with obviously the truck, it comes with the radio, and it comes with all your typical stuff, the stickers, the tools, the manual, all that good stuff. This car comes with a Spectrum SLT3 radio with options of running at 50, 75, or 100% throttle. This car is bigger than I was expecting, so I am going to bring my husband in to help me unbox this, like get it out of the box. This is Nick, one of the team members, my husband. This car is capable of 60 plus miles per hour when using a 6S LiPo battery and the included optional speed pinion gear. This body is equipped with tethered body clips, also has the real steel effect. If it gets scratched, there's silver that shows through like a real vehicle. It also has a sliding mount for quick motor access, so it's really easy to get to. It claims to be able to go through all terrain in all conditions, and it is equipped with waterproof electronics. This is the V5 model. It is a huge upgrade from the V4 model. The V5 is upgraded with Spectrum components and smart compatible. It also got an upgraded chassis design and a new 150 amp ESC. Another nice thing about this vehicle is it has a very accommodating battery compartment. For example, you can run a 1S, two 3Ss, or a 4S. It also comes with extra connectors, so if you did want to run like two 3Ss in it, you have that option, or you can just run the one battery. Another cool feature about the battery compartment is it has the sliding case, so that way it can hold your two batteries in place very nicely, or it can hold one. This truck is highly durable for stunts. It is equipped with a wheelie bar and big backflip tires for air rotation and a shorter chassis for spinning faster. It is highly capable of wheelies, donuts, aerial backflips, standing backflips. One drawback to this car is it has a minimal front bumper, so you want to make sure that you land your jumps pretty accurately because there's not a lot of protection up front. So overall, this is a great vehicle. It is highly rated. It's a favorite of many. The only thing is I would not consider it a beginner's truck if you're going to get it for somebody who's not as experienced with RC cars and stuff. I would definitely put it at 50% throttle and work your way up to 100%.
I want to cut in real quick and let you know that even at 50% throttle, this thing still pops wheelies, so take it for what it is. I would not give it to somebody who has not ran RC cars or isn't comfortable with it.
So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!